It's alive! It's still alive! What's really going on, Pez collecting fans? Josh the Pez guy here on the Pez Book channel, updating Potato Deadpool's progress. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Ooh. Now then, you didn't make it. Okay. We didn't have another Pluto. No, we only have one Pluto. Good dog. All right. So, now then, I don't want this to get anything else dirty. I'm not sure how much longer that Potato Deadpool has in his life. This was a gift that I received at the pig event, and I just acquired this. Someone gave this to me and said, "Hey Josh, make a video on this." Problem is, they didn't tell me where they obtained this cool item from. So this is a pop protector, or Pez pop protector. So if I do this, yeah, maybe. Why is there this? It didn't come with instructions. Ugh, what accept? Okay, I guess that's gonna stay. Yeah, I can use my pointer. There we go. Alright. Okay, you gotta make sure that this little lip doesn't hit your cardboard for sure. Don't want to bend the box if you're trying to protect the box. Okay. Definitely got to be careful with this area in here when you get right into here. All right. So I'm going to close this up, and we're going to close this like we know what we're doing. And as you can tell, I obviously do not. There we go. Oh, I didn't put in this little. Okay, so there's a safety flap to help keep it closed. But now, Potato Deadpool is encased. He's protected. So is the paper. So we don't have another Pluto incident. That is really cool. So, unfortunately, I receive cool items like this, and sometimes I don't know where they come from. So if anybody can help me, you know, that whole questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below thing, yep, asking for a little bit of help. But yeah, that protects it. It's going to keep all that stink in there too. But don't open it. You'll let all that stink out. Don't want to do that. Potato Deadpool lives! So until next time...